Let's take a look at the chart action for Dogecoin. Okay, so here's what I'm looking at. We have resistance, resistance, support, support. We're watching this triangle pattern. Let me draw the trend line. Something like this and something like this. It looks like we broke that support line going to the downside. We didn't break it like really hard with a big huge red candle, but we are kind of trending down. So let's set up another trend line. We have resistance, resistance, and resistance, and resistance. This is pretty much the main line that I'm watching right now. We have a downtrend like this. Until we break this downtrend going to the upside, I'm assuming that we're going to head down and it's going to give us trouble at least. So the first targets, or the couple targets that I'm looking at, and I talked about this in my last video, are these previous support levels right here and right here. We actually already came down and hit that, and now we're kind of looks like we might be heading to this level again. So it's possible that we can get support. Hopefully we can get support right here, maybe bounce a little bit and break out. Or if we keep heading down, the next level that I'll be looking at is right here at around 0.17. This level is sitting at around 0.195 approximately. And then, yeah, like I said, this one's at 1.7. So maybe we can get some support lines like this. Maybe one of them will hold support. We'll be able to break out to the upside. Or if we come down here, maybe trade a little bit right here and then be able to break back up to the upside. What I don't want to do is I really don't want to break this line going to the downside, because if we do, I think the next levels we might be looking at are around maybe 5 cents or something like that. It might be pretty bearish. So you might want to hang on to your hats, because it might get pretty bumpy. I don't know. Like I said though, hopefully we get support right here and support right here. I've been mining Dogecoin with unminable, so just like a little bit here on the side. And yeah, so it's kind of interesting, like the perspective of trying to find good places to sell it and then buy back at the bottom, you know what I mean? So what I was doing, let's go into like the 4-hour time frame. The other thing I was looking at is we had an uptrend like this, and we broke this going to the downside right here. Broke this going to the downside right here. So now what I'm looking at is setting up a limit order down here at around 0.199, something like that. And let's see if we come hit that level right there, maybe get a bounce. I don't know what it's going to do. Like I was saying, this is the first level that we're watching, around 0.18, 0.199 I think is the one I have, and then the second one is around 0.17. So let's cross those bridges when we get there, and we'll see what happens. Like I said, I think we're trending down though, and until we break this trend line going to the upside, it seems like we're in a downtrend, and this might give us some trouble. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys liked the video, hit that thumbs up button.